Hello to you my fashion lovers, you're welcome back to Trendy Nails and Hairs, the channel that gives you nothing but the very best in nails and hairs fashion. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you, depending from where and when you are seeing this video. In case you see my channel for the very first time or you are yet to subscribe to my channel, please do subscribe, and as you do that, do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that whenever a new video is uploaded in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. So my ladies, watching this video for today, you will see that I have a very good compilation of square tip acrylic nail art designs. These nails comes in short, medium and long nail arts. So watch to the end and choose your best light. As you can see, they are looking so beautiful and unique. We have different colors and different designs. So watch and pick your best lights. And as you watch, kindly do support my channel by hitting the like button, okay? Like the video and feel free to share it to your friends and your loved ones, and you can also save it for your later use. And at the end of the video, you can go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my videos or my channel in general. And in case this is not really what you want, you can go down to my channel to see other videos that I have on other nail types. You can also watch and make your choices from there. Thank you guys so much, as I'll be looking forward to seeing you again in my next video. Bye for now.